Trying hard to smile, but it's difficult. So MX5 Gaz here, and we've got a problem, a big problem. So the reason why there's been no content for a month or so is because the car's died or dead. I just can't get it to start. I don't know what it is. I've tried all sorts of stuff. I've tried the basic stuff, so battery fully charged. I've tried 2 different batteries, and nothing. So the AA are on the way, finally. So we'll see what they say when we get here. But you know, if you've got any ideas, then this is actually what's going on. So just switch that around. Right, so ignition on. I'm going to stay quiet now because I want you to be able to hear the fuel pump prime, which it does. So ignition on. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, but ignition is prime. You can see there that you know, everything is lit up. Lights, wipers and all that lot, they all work. I'm confident it's not the battery. Alright, so ignition on, and then what we do is we try and turn it, and this is what happens. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Not even a click. You know, like if it was a really dodgy battery, you get the click of the starter. Absolutely nothing. So we'll go again. Nothing. Try the starter button. Nothing. No clicking. Absolutely dead as a doody. I've tried the starter relay thing. I've replaced that. I've gone through all the fuses. They're all fine. So let's see what the AA say when they get here. Yeah, let's see how we go on. Oh my God, it's alive, but only just. Still got big electrical problems. But the AA managed to get it running anyway, so I'll keep you updated. We've got some major electrical issues going on. I've had 2 RAC people out today. The first one needed a bit of help, and they've tested it to death. So first of all, there's only 2 volts going to the starter relay. All right, now this is all above my head, but anyway, there's only 2 volts going to the starter relay, so that's not enough to turn the starter. So it could be a faulty starter, or it may not be. Also as well, I know you can't see anything, but also as well, the OBD reader port in underneath the steering wheel, driver's side, has got no power going to it. So in other words, when he plugs his machine in, when he plugs his reader in, there's nothing there. There's no codes, it doesn't even light up, there's no power. So also as well, the alternator, so we did, as you've seen on the video, we got it running. We had to bump start it. That was the only way to start it. So thank God it did start. So it'll only start on a bump start. The alternator is only pushing out 11 volts as well, so that's not enough to even keep the car running for longer than, I don't know, 30-40 minutes or whatever. So what the RAC bloke seemed to think was that rats have been at it somewhere, and they've chewed through some of the lines, the electrical lines, and the problem is now going to be trying to find where the little rats have been munching away. That was his main chain of thought. So I'm going to try and get it to speed equip tomorrow. Hopefully I've got enough charge in the battery to get me there. I don't know what on earth's going to happen if not. I don't know. So yeah, continues to be a real pain in the backside. So I'm going to close this video off now. Next video will be, you know, fingers crossed, me with a bit more smiles going on. I don't know. So thanks for watching. Wish me luck.